Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that the Echo Park is having another warehouse sale from now until August 26th, which is my birthday. So that's exciting also, but I want to share with you guys what they have. I have not yet, oh great, no internet, really? I want to show you guys what they have in stock, and it looks like they have a lot of categories, so we have a lot to go through, and I might need to get some cat themed paper if they have, so let's see. This is their collection kits. The prices are $7.50 each, 4 for $28 or 10 for $65. I do miss the days where it was like 10 for $50, but still, you are still getting a fairly good deal on these. So I see some Halloween, which I really like this paper. Highly recommend stocking up on the upcoming seasons, whether it's if you want summer, you can stock up for summer if you don't have enough, but I'm talking more about like fall, Halloween, Christmas. And I don't know if they have any New Year's paper, but then if you also know anybody that's going to be having kids, maybe you want to make some baby albums or whatever, you could think about that too. But they do have some summer, like they have a lot of summer collections actually. You could always stock up for next year, you guys. If you used up all your summer paper this year, get some for next year. They got some farmhouse paper, farmers market. I'm not seeing any of the cat paper. Farmhouse living, they've got that. 4th of July paper, coffee paper, Valentine's Day, which is, you know, soon after Christmas, and it always like flies by, like literally sneaks up on you. Oh, I see the cat paper. I love my cat. This is my favorite cat paper, and I love my dog. I love that paper. Oh, what am I doing with the brightness? I love these. Oh, they have so many. I love the bark. I just love all the doggy papers, you guys. I gotta go through my stash and see what I need, but I do need some more cat papers, so that would be good. And I think I might need some dog. I'm just gonna add them. I can get rid of them afterwards, right? They have a pet themed one. You could use that for fish, turtles, I think they have in there also. So that's like this one's a mix. They have school paper, so you can make some school themed paper things. All right, here's the fall. Get your fall paper, you guys. I love the Hello Autumn collection. I hope I have one in my stash, but I'm gonna check. I'm gonna add things to my cart, see what I would want, and then check my stash. But yeah, I need to make some fall gratitude journals, so I love that paper for that. Christmas dots and stripes or plaid papers. You can never have too many of these. If you need like one more paper for a collection, pick from one of these. Those are always good to have. They have more Christmas papers and winter themed papers as well. So those you could definitely get from the collection kits. Let me show you the bundles. I don't really find that they're usually on sale. Oh, they are a little bit actually. They're $35. You could get the Happy Holidays, Wish Upon a Star, Wonderful Christmas, Christmas Time, or Our Baby. They do not have the Winnie the Pooh. I was hoping they would, because I want to stock up on Winnie the Pooh. All right, 6x6 paper pads, 4 for $10, or $4 each, or 3 for $10. So they've got some baby ones. Yes, I think I have some of these, so I could definitely use these to make some card folios. I was thinking of doing that. Oh, Love Notes. They have that one. Oh, Winterland. That's a cute one also. Little Explorer. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these. I'm loving the 6x6. Oh, Dynamite. I do have one already though. But these are super cute. Maybe I should get a Dynamite one for my nephew. He could have his own little paper. Maybe we'll do that. I wish they had a hockey one. I see they have baseball. My nephew loves hockey though. But anyway, they've got some good options for these. All right, and basketball. All right, so I'm going to move on to Ephemera, $2 each or 10 for $15. And you can just kind of go through these, see what you have in your stash, see what you want to get maybe, because sometimes you have to get things in pieces. Like sometimes they might have the collection you want but not the ephemera, and the next time you could get the ephemera. Like I don't know if I have this ephemera, the Dynamite ephemera. So they have 3 pages of ephemera that you guys can go through. decorative brads. I really just mainly like going through the paper, but I will show you quickly the brads, and they have some chipboard, so you can go through that. The other chipboard, like the half sheet chipboard, the 6x12s are $2 each. So if you need some for anything, get it, add it to your collections. Albums are usually Christmas ones, and these are the ones that you put the clear sleeves in. Yep, so they're both Christmas. And they have the clear sleeves, the photo sleeves that you could get for those albums. They have 6x8 ones and 12x12, so you kind of just gotta read what each one is and what you'd be getting. Let's see, they got mega pads. These, oh, I meant to open that in a new tab. These are the 48 sheet paper pads, 6x6. So, oh, maybe I should get like a 6x6 one of that for fall. Make something with that. Yeah, maybe. I really like this boy. Oh, they have the Our Baby Girl. They don't have the neutral. Okay, so they have that. Sorry, I'm also like thinking of like what I want to get. Enamel dots, I don't like, they're $3. Why can't these be $2 like the chipboard? I don't know. They're same regular price, but they're $3 instead of $2. Make it make sense. And sometimes they have chipboard for $1, so it doesn't make sense to me. I've been using my Nuvo drops a lot more, and I love that. Printed cardstock is just solid sheets of paper for 69 cents if you need certain papers. Puffy stickers, sticker books. Oh, the sticker books, hold on. So puffy stickers here, these are usually smaller than the chipboard or smaller than the sticker sheets that you get in collection kits. But the sticker books, I love getting the Christmas ones. I even have a couple of fall ones. I just like being able to add stickers. I do also have like leftover stickers from collection kits that I keep aside and I add to things, but having the sticker books, and especially Christmas ones, is so helpful for me when I make my card folios, and especially because I make a lot of Christmas things. But other than that, you can get sticker sheets. These are one of the ones that you would find in collection kits, $2 each, or what did it say, 10 for 15. So you can get these to go with other collections that you might have, or maybe you just had the paper, you didn't have the collection kit, and now you want some stickers, so you could go through that as well. They have solid kits, $3 each or 10 for 25. These are the packs of solids for different collections. I love having Christmas ones on hand also, and some fall ones, but mainly Christmas, just because you could use them with any single collection. It doesn't matter what Christmas paper you get. You could use them pretty much with, like, you could find something that matches for every collection that you might have in your stash. Stencils, I think this is a new one. I don't normally see stencils here, but ooh, I like that web stencil. That's a cool one. But I don't use stencils. Does anybody do mixed media like this? If you do, I'd love to see some of your stuff. Just things that I never really got into, but I like looking at it. Stateside kit. You probably don't want this. It's literally just a collection of all the 50 states. I think you get like a paper from each state. You don't want that. I don't think so. Stamps. Sometimes they have cute stamps that you might want. Oh, they have some Christmas ones. Ooh, birthday. Like, these are good to have like sentiments inside of cards. Like, not really. Maybe this one. I hope your birthday is full of sunshine and rainbows and laughter and loads of fun. Like, I'd probably put that little piece on the inside of a card. Everything else, I mean, you could do it on the outside of a card as well. But, ooh, I like this notebook stamp. It's out of stock. Notice how there's no add to cart? That one is out of stock. That's unfortunate. Oh, I have this music one. That's a cool one. All right. Ooh, the bingo one. That is a cool one. That'd be great for like journals or just to make your own little cards. That's a fun one. Paw print. Do I need a paw print? I have to check my stash. I'm gonna leave that tab open. Dies. You might have dies here that go with some of the stencils. I feel like maybe the C one maybe had a stamp to go with it. Otherwise, I'm not so sure. Ooh, look at this die set. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops. I feel like my nephew would love this, but he doesn't have a die cutting machine. I feel like a stamp would be better, but those are very cool. We'll see. And then they have another section for mega pads here, but they also have mega pads up here. So Let's see if these are different. No, they're the same. They just have 2 sections on there that say mega pads. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know about the Echo Park warehouse sale. Happy shopping, you guys. Let me know what you get. If you guys are getting anything, stocking up maybe for whatever season, let me know. I'd love to know what you're shopping for. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.